This machine doesn't just handle rough terrain, it rewrites the rules of what an all-terrain vehicle can do. Built as a new standard for extreme mobility, this vehicle blends raw strength with smart design. It can carry up to 12 people and haul an impressive 1,500 kilograms payload, making it just as capable during rescue missions as it is on off-road expeditions. Power isn't wasted here. Advanced air suspension, a low center of gravity, high ground clearance, and a locking differential work together to conquer terrain that stops ordinary vehicles cold. Control feels effortless. The 4x4 all-wheel drive system and intuitive steering make handling smooth, even for inexperienced drivers. What's truly surprising is its tight turning radius, smaller than many passenger cars, allowing sharp, confident moves on uneven ground. Speed adds another layer of versatility, reaching up to 60 km per hour on land and cruising across water at 7 km per hour. With extended service intervals and low maintenance, this machine doesn't just ride the trail, it dominates it from the first squeeze of the throttle. Features and benefits. Priced at $24,000, the Pro XP is built for riders who crave control and raw power. Its 64-inch width and 96-inch wheelbase strike the perfect balance between stability. Imagine a bus that doesn't stop when the road disappears. The Torsus Praetorian is built to push through landscapes where most vehicles simply give up. At its core is a powerful 6-cylinder MAN diesel engine delivering 290 horsepower and massive torque for relentless pulling power. It's designed to keep going when conditions turn brutal. A semi-automatic tip-modded gearbox works with advanced suspension, leaf springs up front and air suspension at the rear, to keep rides stable, even on punishing terrain. This machine stands tall with serious off-road credentials. A high ground clearance, deep water fording ability, and steep slope capability let it conquer mud, snow, rocks, and flooded roads with confidence. Michelin off-road tires add extra grip, while strong construction ensures it can handle constant abuse without compromise. Inside, comfort isn't ignored. Full air conditioning and a carefully designed cabin keep passengers safe and relaxed, no matter how extreme. What if one machine could dominate mud, trails, and raw terrain without breaking a sweat? Meet an ATV built to turn chaos into control. At its core sits a thunderous 999cc V-twin engine pushing an incredible 101 horsepower, delivering instant pull and relentless torque. A redesigned P-drive clutch and updated CVT ratios translate that power into smooth, durable acceleration that feels effortless no matter the terrain. Suspension is where confidence takes over. The arched AA arm setup absorbs hard hits and sharp turns, with nearly 11 inches of travel up front and 12 inches in the rear. Intelligent throttle control, engine braking, and selectable drive modes let Imagine gliding through the wilderness without a sound, no engine growl, no trace left behind. That's the power of the Evo Hunters Edition. Built for hunters and nature lovers, this electric off-road motorcycle is all about stealth, control, and freedom. Its whisper-quiet carbon belt drive lets you move unseen, while low ambient lighting keeps your presence discreet. Every detail is designed to work with nature, not against it. Comfort matters when the journey gets long. A wide scalloped seat reduces fatigue, and fat all-terrain tires grip confidently on snow, sand, or dirt. Whether you're crossing rough trails or open ground, the ride stays smooth and stable. Power isn't sacrificed for silence. With an optional dual battery setup, the Evo delivers over 60 miles of range and reaches speeds up to 55 miles per hour. Less charging downtime means more time exploring, and with no oil changes or complex upkeep, maintenance stays simple and stress-free. This bike doesn't just travel through the wild. Imagine an ATV that feels more like a high-performance machine than an off-road toy. That's exactly what the Segway Supervillain SX20 brings to the table. At its core is a powerful 2.0 TGDI engine pushing out 235 horsepower and massive torque that hits instantly. Acceleration is quick, aggressive, and addictive, with a top speed touching 150 km per hour and a climbing ability of up to 70%, steep hills and rough trails feel almost effortless. The hybrid system doesn't just add power, it delivers smoother launches and sharper response when you need it most. Inside, a smart command system with a central touchscreen puts everything at your fingertips. Vehicle data, navigation, and entertainment are all easy to control, while customizable app settings and energy recovery let you fine-tune the ride. Suspension is where it really shines. Dual A-arm front suspension and a multi-link rear setup deliver massive wheel travel, soaking up impacts and keeping the ride stable. Imagine tearing through rugged trails, then lifting straight into the sky. That's the Explorer flying car, where ground power meets true flight. Built for extreme versatility, the Explorer blends off-road muscle with airborne freedom. Its lightweight, high-tensile chrome alloy steel chassis pairs with a carbon fiber and glass composite body, creating a frame that's tough without feeling heavy. At its core sits a next-general 600cc twin-rotary engine, pushing out 100 horsepower at 7,100 RPM. On land, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, with a top road speed of 85 miles per hour. Stability is never an afterthought. Independent double wishbone suspension keeps control tight on rough trails, while hydraulic dual disc brakes deliver confident stopping power when it matters most. Then comes the moment that changes everything. With a seamless transition into flight mode, the Explorer takes off, cruising at 50 miles per hour, climbing to altitudes of up to 15,000 feet, and covering distances of nearly 200 miles through the air. Imagine a machine that glides over rocks, fallen trees, and deep ruts like they barely exist. This is the Tank T8, built for extreme terrain, without sacrificing comfort or control. At its core is ultra-low ground pressure that spreads weight evenly, letting it float over mud, snow, and obstacles that stop ordinary vehicles cold. A long travel spring suspension absorbs brutal impacts, keeping the ride smooth even when the ground disappears beneath you. Add powerful tracks and advanced steering, and you get precise movement in places where driving shouldn't be possible. Inside, it's surprisingly refined. The Tank T8 carries up to 10 passengers in a premium, climate-controlled cabin. Bluetooth, USB-C ports, and an integrated multimedia system keep everyone connected, even far from civilization. Imagine a trike that conquers both rugged trails and bustling city streets with ease. Meet the Hunter all-terrain trike. Designed for adventure, its full multi-link suspension system with air dampers ensures every ride is buttery smooth, no matter the terrain. The sturdy frame supports up to 150 kilograms, while the adjustable airy seat with headrest delivers unmatched comfort for long journeys. Performance meets precision with a Shimano Dior drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, and off-road tires, giving riders total control on any surface. Go further with electric drive options from 200. Meet the Horizon Electric Trike, a futuristic ride built for thrill seekers and daily commuters alike. Features and benefits. Powered by a 750-watt rear motor that peaks at 2,000 watts, it rockets up to 30 miles per hour with ease. Riders can travel anywhere from 35 to 105 miles, depending on battery choice, while the quick-charging 43.2-volt lithium-ion phosphate. Meet the Sharon 1200, a groundbreaking six-wheeled off-road beast that turns extreme exploration into effortless adventure. Features and benefits. Powered by a BMW R1200 GS engine, it packs 100 horsepower, driving its 4 rear wheels with a revolutionary fluid-based system. This water-driven hydraulic setup delivers mind-blowing torque, up to 500 pound-feet per wheel, with larger versions reaching 850 pound-feet. Its RE rocker-style suspension, inspired by the Mars rover, glides over rocks, sand, and rugged terrain, keeping every ride smooth and controlled. Context and real-world impact. Design. Meet the Sharon 1200, an off-road beast built to conquer the most extreme terrains. Features and benefits. Powered by a 55-horsepower diesel engine, it delivers impressive torque and fuel efficiency while keeping noise and vibration to a minimum. Its amphibious design lets it glide through water at speeds up to 4 miles per hour, and its rugged build easily handles boulders, fallen trees, and deep snow. Equipped with self-inflating tires and a patented suspension system, every ride is smooth, no matter how harsh the terrain. The innovative skid steering system allows it to pivot within its own width, ensuring unmatched maneuverability on land or water. Context and real-world impact. With 26 inches of ground clearance and a durable chassis, the Sharon 1200 redefines what an all-terrain vehicle can do. From remote exploration to heavy-duty work in challenging environments, it turns obstacles into opportunities and expands what's possible in adventure and utility. Closing statement. The Sharon 1200 isn't just a vehicle, it's a gateway to places most can only imagine. Power, versatility. Meet the Cressay Z210, a rugged 4x4 built to conquer any terrain, carry your crew, and handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Features and benefits. Powered by a 2.5L Hyundai D4BH turbo diesel engine, it delivers 110 horsepower and 230 Newton-meters of torque. Its 6-speed manual gearbox and high-low transfer case ensure unmatched off-road agility. Whether transporting up to 7 passengers or hauling cargo, the Z210 manages a gross weight of 2,880 kilograms with ease. 2 massive 100L fuel tanks. Meet the Ripsaw EV3F4, a beast built to dominate any terrain and push the limits of off-road adventure. Features and benefits. Powered by a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel engine, it churns out a staggering 800 horsepower and over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. Its rugged steel exoskeleton and heavy-duty rubber tracks make it virtually unstoppable, while a tight 8-foot turning radius ensures unmatched maneuverability. With 20 inches of ground clearance and a top speed of 55 miles per hour, steep slopes, rocky trails, and loose surfaces are no challenge at all. Context and real-world impact. Originally engineered for military missions, the Ripsaw EV3F4 is now available for civilian adventurers, offering customizable options for every need. Its combination of raw power, durability, and cutting-edge design has even landed it a spotlight in Fast and Furious 8, proving it's as stylish as it is capable. Closing statement. Whether tearing through the wild or standing out on the streets, the Ripsaw EV3F4 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of extreme performance and fearless innovation. Meet the Argo Frontier 700 Scout 6x6, the ultimate all-terrain machine that conquers land and water with ease. Features and benefits. Powered by a V-twin FE engine, Meet the Quadski XL, the ultimate hybrid machine that's as at home on land as it is on water. Imagine riding an ATV that instantly transforms into a jet ski in under 5 seconds. Features and benefits. Powered by a 140 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, the Quadski XL rockets up to 45 miles per hour no matter the terrain. Its extended wheelbase allows for an extra passenger and higher payload, making it perfect for both fun adventures and practical tasks. Independent suspension, hydraulic dampers, and 4-wheel disc brakes ensure every ride is smooth, stable, and controlled. Context and real-world impact. Whether you're cruising lakes, exploring rugged trails, or tackling commercial tasks, the Quadski XL adapts seamlessly. Its marine jet drive glides through water with the same ease as it conquers dirt paths, redefining what an all-terrain vehicle can do. Closing statement. Blurring the line between land and water, the Quadski XL isn't just a vehicle, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Hybrid engineering has never looked this thrilling. Meet the superior APC 4x4, a high-performance armored vehicle built to conquer the toughest terrains and missions. Features and benefits. This versatile powerhouse transports up to 14 personnel or 6 injured passengers effortlessly. Its hydraulic rear ramp makes patient loading simple, while an advanced optics package, featuring PTZ, infrared, and thermal processing, boosts operational efficiency. Under the hood, a 330 horsepower inline-6 diesel engine propels it to 130 kilometers per hour, delivering unmatched off-road performance. With a rugged drivetrain, reinforced suspension, and customizable platform, it adapts seamlessly to any environment. Context and real-world impact. From law enforcement and peacekeeping to medical evacuation, the superior APC redefines what a multi-purpose armored vehicle can do. It's reliable, mobile, and ready for the most demanding situations. Closing statement. Combining durability, innovation, and accessibility, the Inca Superior APC isn't just a vehicle. Imagine an electric SUV that feels as agile as a sports car and as tough as a rugged off-roader. Meet the Kangaroo, a revolutionary all-terrain hyper SUV. This futuristic machine combines 4-wheel drive with 4-wheel steering, allowing it to conquer icy roads, rocky trails, or city streets with unmatched precision. Designed by Fabrizio Giaro, the Kangaroo seamlessly fuses sportiness, innovation, and cutting-edge technology. Its dynamic suspension adapts on the fly, offering adjustable ride heights for racing, road cruising, or off-road adventures. Every curve and angle of its carbon fiber body exudes power, while the sculpted side panels make it a visual masterpiece. Inside, 2 sporty carbon fiber seats cradle you in luxury, complemented by high-tech displays and Poltrona Frau leather accents. Hydraulic shock absorber. Meet the Sasquatch, an amphibious all-terrain beast built for the wildest, most unforgiving landscapes. Features and benefits. Powered by a 1.8L turbo diesel engine delivering 200 Nm of torque, it conquers rugged terrain with effortless power. Its spacious 3,400 rupees 71 certified QX4 crew cab combines comfort and safety, offering room for 4 with 3-point seatbelts for everyone. Inside, the ultra-quiet panoramic cabin keeps you cozy year-round with advanced heating and cooling systems.